Hi everyone, today we are going to again study some basic tags in HTML as well as some special characters. So today we will study basic tags and a new thing is special characters in HTML. So let's start with the basic tags first. Now whatever you want to emphasize, whatever text you want to emphasize, for that you have the EM tag. Suppose I want to say hello. I want to emphasize this word hello, so I will close it inside the EM tag and I say how are you. So out of this entire text hello how are you, I want to emphasize this word hello, so that for that reason I will place it within the EM tags and I will save it. I'll show you how it emphasizes the text. Basically it will put that text which has been put in EM tags as italics. So here you can see hello how are you has been put in italics. Now I will put a gap in between these two texts, so it will appear after a space in between. See hello how are you, so hello was put inside the EM tag, so it is emphasized. By emphasize I mean that particular text is put in italics, right? Now if I want to highlight some text, just like I highlight my text with a marker, I want to highlight my text here also. So now since I want that text to appear in a new line, I'll put the BR tag. Then I want to emphasize that do not forget to buy chocolates today, right? I want to emphasize chocolates here, sorry, I want to highlight chocolates here, so I will put it within the mark tag, right? So any text that is put between the mark tags is highlighted just as you highlight your text with a highlighter. So we can see like this. So you see here the chocolates text was within the mark tags here, so that is the reason that chocolate is seen as highlighted over here. So anything you want to highlight, you put it between the mark tags and then it gets highlighted like this. Okay, now the next is subscript and superscript. If you want to put any text as, or any number for that matter, as subscript, what you do, you put it inside the sub tags. So this is the tag that I'm talking about, sub. So anything that is put between the sub tags becomes a subscript. Hello, how are you. Now here hello how are you, out of this the how text has been put inside the sub tags. So that means how will be subscripted, how will be that text which will be subscripted in this entire line. Let's save the changes and see. So you see here that how is subscripted. Similarly, if you want to superscript any tag, that means any text or number, I'm sorry, if you want to superscript any text or number, again you put it between the sup tags. So anything that is put between the sup tags is superscripted. So I'll copy the same text. Now how will be superscripted? I put it within these sup tags and then it gets superscripted, right? So let's save the changes and see it in my web page. Okay, so now you see here it is superscripted. In the previous line it was subscripted, here it is superscripted. So if you want to subscript that particular text or number, you put it inside the sub tag, and if you want to superscript that particular text or number, you put it inside the sup tag. Now we will see some special symbols. Special symbols. Okay, I will put it in a different font to differentiate from the rest of the text. So I say my font face will be Times New Roman, and my font size will be 5, right? So this is my font size, and all the special symbols I will put them inside this font tag to differentiate it from the rest of the text, so that you can easily identify what these special characters are. Now for the less than symbol, you put an ampersand and LT and then finish it off with a semicolon. Then I want my next symbol in my next line, so I put my BR tag. For the greater than symbol, you put ampersand GT and semicolon. For the ampersand tag, you put AMP and semicolon, right? So this LT gives you a greater than symbol, LT gives you a less than symbol, GT gives you a greater than symbol, AMP gives you an ampersand symbol. So after every special character, I put the BR tag, because I want every special character to begin from a new line. Now if I want the quotation marks, I put the symbol ampersand QUOT and then a semicolon again, and finish it off with the BR tag. So what I'll do is I'll copy the BR tag so that I don't have to type it every time, right? For the small A grave accent, I put ampersand A grave and finish it off with a semicolon and then BR. For the capital A grave symbol, I put ampersand capital A and then grave, finish it with the semicolon, and then of course the BR tag. Okay, now for the small N tilde symbol, I put ampersand N tilde semicolon and then a BR. Similarly, for the capital N tilde symbol, I put a capital N tilde semicolon and the BR tag. Then for the small U umlaut, I put ampersand U and then I give a semicolon and then the BR tag. Similarly, for the capital U umlaut, I put a capital U, I write umlaut and then a semicolon and a BR tag again. Then for the delta symbol, delta symbol, I write ampersand hashtag 144 semicolon and of course the BR tag for the next line. Then for the 1/4 symbol, I write ampersand hashtag 188 and then a BR tag. And then for the half symbol, I put an ampersand hashtag 189 semicolon and a BR tag. Now if I don't put this BR tag, you know that all these symbols will appear in the same line. They will get mixed, and I want you to see each and every symbol very clearly. That is why I have put the BR tag. Also, one thing that you must have noticed here is that in the beginning of every special character we are using an ampersand symbol, right? So let's see how these symbols appear on the web page. I open it in the browser, and then here you go. See, this is your less than symbol, this is your greater than symbol, ampersand, quote, small a grave, capital A grave, and small n tilde, capital N tilde, small u umlaut, capital U umlaut, and the delta symbol, 1/4 symbol, and the half symbol, right? So, okay, one mistake that I have done here is that for the umlaut symbol you write UML, and for the capital umlaut symbol you write capital UML. Also, you could see that with the text hello, how are you, the less than symbol was appearing because I did not use the BR tag here. So I'll put the BR tag here also, so that my less than symbol appears from the next line. I will save these changes, and now let's see how they are reflected, right? So now you can clearly see this is the less than symbol, greater than symbol, ampersand, block quotes or the quotation marks, then small a grave, capital A grave, small n tilde, capital N tilde, small u umlaut, capital U umlaut, delta symbol, 1/4 symbol, and half symbol. So these are all the symbols. Now one more special character, one more tag that I forgot to tell you is the block quote tag. So the block quote tag basically aligns everything as left indent. That means every text, anything that is put within the block quote tags is left indented. So block quote, and anything now, any text or any paragraph that I put inside the block quote symbol will now be left indented. So for example, I write protect the nature and the nature will protect you. So this will now appear in as left intended. So let's see the changes in my browser. So here you see it is left intended, protect the nature and the nature will protect you. So these were the basic tags and the special characters that I wanted to teach you today. This is it for today.